Bang, bang, Niner gang. What's good, family? Welcome back to Jared Tries Trading. Yet another episode. It's Monday, April 11th, 2:02, about an hour after the close. I'm starving, so we're going to try and make this one quick. Plus, today was pretty boring. I hope you guys kept it green, or I hope you guys were more patient than me. I was patient, but then not patient enough. So my stats will reflect that, and it's okay because I kept the loss small, kind of modest, you know what I mean? Maybe got chopped up a little bit. I mean, yeah, if you look at the market, it literally was in a range the whole day. And then we got that breakdown at the end of the day. And I was waiting for this move all day, and I just wasn't sure if it was going to come. In some of these pops right here, I got kind of scared for my positions, and I actually got chopped up right here on CZR, and then I held Zim and CSCO a little longer, and I just really didn't get nothing, and I couldn't expect nothing because the market was just literally chopping around and had no direction. So when there's no direction, it's always better just not to trade. But man, waiting 7 hours, 6 hours to get some movement, man, was mind numbing. And I'm just sitting there analyzing. I'm like, let's just get in. So definitely should have just stayed out the way, and I guess could have just waited for the price action at the end of the day. But so I actually re-entered pretty much the same positions that I had because we finally got some market breakdown, and I'm looking for some continuation tomorrow. We closed below, the SMA 50, bearish. I don't know what the next support level is. I don't know if it's this area again, or maybe we're making a higher low right here and we're just gonna go back up. So I do have 3 puts or 3 positions overnight. We'll see how those go. I just asked Pete about one of them, and he said he doesn't like it. So anyways, let's get into some of these picks. I'll try to keep it super concise for you guys. Let's see, here we go. Pull this up. CZR, Caesars Entertainment. I like the stock. It's below all SMAs. Pete pointed out that it is a choppy stock, and now that I look at it, I guess it is choppy. In the grand scheme of things, I'm looking at how, whoa, chill, bro, chill. I'm looking at, it's in a clear downtrend. I mean, in my opinion, it's below all SMAs, but I guess it's just not stacked candles, and they're kind of overlapping, except for like right here. So I was pretty zoned in on this compression right here, and then we broke that last week, and I figured we had more downside. So I tried to day trade this because at the time we were at this level, and I wanted to take a 50-cent move back down to this area right here. But the day trade didn't really work out. I didn't have any market tailwind, so I got chopped out of this one. Where's VWAP? Ad study. Moving averages. Where's the VWAP? Anyways, we're going to go to option stalker. Caesar. So on the M5, my stop was a close above VWAP, and it pretty much closed above VWAP right here, or maybe it was right here. Damn, I don't even have VWAP on this one. What the hell? Moving averages. Dude, where the hell is VWAP, bro? Anyways, take my word for it. I got chopped out. This closed above VWAP, and then the next candle was a big red one, and then it just chopped around. And then at this point, when it was like, rallying a little bit, I was like, okay, good thing I got out. But then the market got heavy, and then, you know, took Caesar with it. So I can't say it's a good trade or a good plan. You know, Pete doesn't like it. We'll have to see. My plan is just, you know, if we get a gap down, I'll take my gains in the morning, which was the plan the whole time, pretty much for all my shorts, my overnight shorts. So on Caesar, I think cost me $375 for one contract, so $375 max risk. But it likely won't let it get, you know, go to zero, obviously. But I'm looking for some follow through. We tested this level hella times, and we're on a bearish hammer, so I'm looking for the breakdown tomorrow. Then we have Zim. I got into Zim, and I guess it was too early. I set up these daily levels, you know, hit that, hit that, hit that again. Now it's like this region support, and then now we're breaking down, and we're right on the SMA. And I wanted to do, you know, if we were able to stay below the SMA throughout the day, or we had any market kind of follow through, our reward over here is like down to 52.50. So I was kind of looking at that, and on the 5 minute, you know, and let me check my entry real quick. 1322. So I got in right here. I like the wick at the top, and I figured I was close enough to this level. You know, my stop's pretty nearby. So and then we just chopped around, and then I got out at 1450 just because I wasn't sure, man, are we gonna get a breakdown or not? We crossed back. We were making new highs. It seemed like, you know, we broke this little resistance level right here, and from here. So I was like, all right, I guess we're going back up, and Zim got kind of strong. So, and it also didn't drop with the market at the end of the day. So it was a good thing I closed it out. $40 loss or $35 loss. I'm glad I didn't hold it. I guess my thesis was just incorrect on this one. And I guess if we could close below the SMA, then maybe I'll look to go short, and then I have these levels for profit taking. But at the time, not the best trade. And, you know, taking these trades is just analyzing too much and just not being patient, man. Like I said, 6 hours to wait in SPY, waiting for a move is hard. That's all I got to say about that one. So, and then I got CSCO. I was stocking these stocks, man. I guess this one's kind of choppy too, you know, but we have a little trend line here, you know, break down below that, and then this horizontal support here, break through that, and, you know, we had room. My plan when I was trading it intraday, was to take, let me look at my entry, and CSCO be moving super slow, man. Like it was $1 loss, so really didn't lose much. But I got in at 11.16. 11.16. So right here, you know, nice red candle. The next candle, I thought it was confirming for me. And then my stops up here. And then I waited for 3.5 hours almost, all the way to 1450. Right here. And at this point, you know, I feel like we're making a higher low. We're not getting the breakdown that, you know, I was looking for. Price action sucked today. And, you know, I pretty much at this point I exited, and I was like just gonna stop trading for the day. But over here, when I started seeing this price action on SPY, the actual breakdown, then I was like, you know, the stocks that I was in was being weighed down by the market too. So hopefully we get some follow through tomorrow. This was SPY, a lot of selling, stacked red bars. And then on CSCO, so I re-entered CSCO sometime in this area, you know, and looking for some follow through. You know, if we break this level right here, you know, what's the next level down here? So a lot of pretty good risk reward in my opinion, and we'll see what happens. And then the last one was IBM. This was Pete's pick, but I see two upper sloping trend lines that are being broken, and it broke through the SMA 50, and we have room. We have some room here. If I want to be conservative, I'll just get out around this area. Or, if you want to go for gold, you could try to go for down here. But depends on the market, man. I'll probably just take profits as soon as I can, considering the type of action we've been getting, man. Close below the SMA. Watch this. Fucking gap up. But those are pretty much my trades for the day. Obviously, not my best day. 3 trades. Took all losses. And then I have some swings. So we'll see. I'm leaning bearish right now. Especially, the end of the day action on SPY. And we'll see what happens. So hopefully tomorrow I can report that we started the day off, already at our daily goal or something like that. That would be ideal. But for now, that's what it is, man. Monday blues, but it's all good. Just really warming up. And I hope you guys did a little bit better than me. So let me know in the comments how you guys did. Man, SPY is just going sideways. Super boring. And yeah, if you guys can, make sure to like and subscribe. And please share. I'm trying to get those subscribers up. Like I said, diapers are expensive. And an extra $20 a month from YouTube would be nice. But it's all good. Y'all have a good evening. I'll see you back here tomorrow. See ya.